Happy New Year and welcome to 2025. Today I'm going to share some tips that will help you stay ahead of the game as a graphic designer. The first tip is to use AI for the most part of your design processes. Now, it's not news that AI is the future. In fact, it's the now because we already have AI that streamlines most of the design processes, getting ideas and all that. So I need to stay ahead of the game, save more time by using these AI tools too get ideas, get concepts, and then refine them. Do not be scared that AI will take away your creativity or something like that, or take over your job. It won't take over your job if you collaborate. You learn how to effectively collaborate with AI. So that's that. There are a lot of AI tools. I tried using ChatGPT very recently to get ideas for design. It has been amazing. It has been amazing. It streamlines everything, makes it easy, and then all you have to do is just pick, rinse, and refine. You've heard the phrase "jack of all trades, master of none." Now, I am not against learning a lot of things, because you're going to need the knowledge of a lot of things to survive and thrive in design industry. But my number 2 point is to specialize in a particular design niche. For instance, brand identity design or social media designs. Now, you can even go deeper and say, I specialize in social media designs for crypto brands, or social media designs for real estate brands, or social media designs for churches, or social media designs for events, and all that. So, when you are specialized in something, it gives you a lot of chance to build mastery on that particular thing, and then you will sort out for that skill. So it's okay to start out, as trying to juggle everything, but it's best to specialize, to try to learn a particular skill, a particular niche in the design industry. So that will help. The next one is to dedicate 1 hour per day learning anything new about the design industry, design trends, design principles, because knowledge of your skill is what will keep you relevant. The design industry is constantly evolving, it's moving, there are a lot of things that are trending, a lot of things that are coming and going. So it's best for you to dedicate an hour. You may feel that, oh, I need more time, to feel good, but it's best to start small. There's a saying that if you improve on yourself 1% consistently, 1% every day, at the end of the year, the growth that you would have amassed is a lot. It's not even in arithmetic progression, it's geometric, it's exponential. So yeah, so dedicate 1 hour per day learning anything new, especially design principles, because most people are caught up in the fact that things are trending. Yeah, I'm not against design trends. Learn about trends because to keep you woke, but learn about design principles, learn about design elements, how to mesh design principles in the most professional of ways and the most functional of ways. It's going to help you stay relevant as a designer. The next one, which is number 4, is to master the business of your skill. Now, passion will not put food on your table, not at all. So, passion will not put food on your table. So you have to learn how to make money from your skill, learn how to relate to client retention, customer relationships, stuff like that. So you have to amass a lot of knowledge on the business of your skill. So don't just see your skill as graphic design now, or any creative skill, writing, motion design, and all that. Don't just see it as a side hustle or some sort. See it as a business. So when you see it as a business, you carry that mindset of a business and relate it to that skill. So learn the business of that skill, learn how to relate with clients, learn how to keep clients. Because the thing is that most people think that making money from the skill is by constantly having new clients. No, it's repeat customers, repeat clients. So when you sustain good relationship with your clients, it's amazing. All right, it's good. It's what will keep money coming to your account. So master the business of your skill. That's the point. It will help you as a designer in 2025. This last one is like an advice to all creatives. Number 5, avoid analysis paralysis. Avoid analysis paralysis totally. Now, once you get an idea, usually the next thing you go to is, trying to plan, trying to, make it perfect, trying to make it tush, increase its this, I so, but what you need to do is, I want to get an idea, find ways to make it less don't overcomplicate the idea, just act on it. Now once you act on it, you see that clarity, you begin to get more clarity on that particular idea. So don't remain on the point of analysis and get paralyzed. That's the point of analysis paralysis after all. So don't overanalyze. Once you get an idea, go for it. And I'm sure that with these points, we'll become successful designers and we'll act on them. All right, remember what I said. When you focus on improving yourself 1% every day, at the end of 365 days, the growth you have amassed is exponential. As I said, you will not believe how far you've come. So I leave us with these points, and I hope that we work on them and we'll be successful designers in the year 2025. See you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.